नमः ओम महारुद्राय नमः कर्णिका मध्ये ओम महाशक्तिमंडलाय नमः।
This is the banana flower by which we make banana curry, and in India we call it as vazhapu usili. Part in that, I'll show you how to do that. We'll have to take this bigger one like that, and now for cleaning this banana flower, we'll have to take this like this in a bunch and do like this with in your palm so that it opens. The white thicker one must be taken out. It should not be used for cooking. The white ones you should remove. So this is how once you pull it out, it comes very easily. Now we'll have to soak half cup of tur dal and quarter cup of gram dal. So by the time we cut that flour, it will be soaked. Now with that we add 9 to 10 red chilies, taking the star, remove the star and then soak them also. Little turmeric powder, a little salt in that, and put the cut flour in that so that it avoids becoming black. The original color remains. Cook banana flour for 5 minutes. Drain the water completely. Put some oil and mustard seeds, urd dal and curry leaves for seasoning. And curry leaves. Add the grinded dal paste and stir it well. Grinded paste maybe. Put in oil. Cover it with a lid. Once the dal is cooked, mix the already cooked and drained banana flour for some time.